Welcome to my channel about narcissistic abuse and healing. Dealing with an emotional abuser or energy vampire can drain you mentally, emotionally, financially, and even physically. They are experts at manipulation, and exposing them requires more than just knowledge. It requires strategy. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a clear guide on how to document and expose an abuser wisely. If you have been feeling overwhelmed by their tactics, this video will help you regain control and outsmart their manipulation. So let's dive into the steps you need to take to document and expose an emotional abuser effectively and wisely. Number 1, document everything. The first step in exposing an abuser is to document all relevant facts and bad behaviors meticulously. Keep detailed records of every interaction, including emails, texts, and any other forms of communication. This communication will be your ammunition. But remember, it is not always wise to use it immediately. It might be smarter to hold that ammunition in reserve to be used at the right moment. Avoid getting bogged down. Energy vampires often make wild accusations and distortions to waste your time and resources. It might take them only a few minutes to send you a delusional email, but refusing every bogus claim can take you hours and cost you a lot in legal fees. For instance, you might need to sift through old emails, contacts, past associates, and prove that you never said or did something, which can be nearly impossible. Ask for proof. Instead of trying to disprove vague or undocumented accusations, ask the abuser to provide specific proof of their claims. This tactic usually shuts them up because they lack concrete evidence. If they do respond, it often reveals more about their tactics and state of mind, which can be useful later. Deny briefly. Do not over-explain. When you receive an absurd accusation, do not rush to refute it in detail. A brief denial, such as "I disagree" or "that's not true," is often sufficient. Ask for specific proof and provide a concise summary of the facts if necessary. Save detailed refutations for a time when you can control the narrative, such as during a legal proceeding or a meeting with a custody evaluator. Analyze their accusations. Take time to analyze the narcissist's accusations. Often, these accusations are projections and reveal more about abusers' own behaviors and insecurities. Understanding this can give you insight into their tactics and help you anticipate their next moves. Stay organized. Keep your documentation organized so you can quickly access and use it when needed. Store emails, texts, and other documents in well-labeled files. When you need to refute false assertions, you will have all the necessary material at your fingertips. This can make it easier to compile a single email or document with all relevant evidence, which you can then resend as needed. Maintain your composure. One of the emotional abuser's goals is to provoke an emotional reaction from you. Responding with frustration or anger makes you look bad and plays into their hands. Instead, consistently act and communicate in mature, respectful ways. This will help you maintain your credibility and make the abuser's manipulations more apparent to others. Choose your moments wisely. Make wise choices about when and how to disclose information. For example, you might choose to reveal specific documentation during a custody evaluation or legal hearing when it will have the most impact. This strategic use of information can help you outmaneuver the abuser. Imagine a scenario where a woman was involved in a custody battle with her emotionally abusive ex-partner. Throughout their relationship, the ex had often sent her abusive text messages and emails, accusing her of being a bad mother and threatening to take the children away. However, in front of the court and social workers, he presented himself as calm, caring, and responsible, portraying her as the unstable one. The woman, instead of reacting impulsively to his behavior, quietly gathered evidence. She carefully saved every abusive message, creating a detailed timeline of his threats and manipulative behavior. Rather than revealing these messages right away, she waited for the right moment. During the custody hearing, when her ex-partner tried to present himself as the better parent and made unfounded accusations against her, she strategically introduced the saved message. By presenting these facts at the most critical point, she exposed his true nature, undermining his carefully crafted image in court. The abusive, controlling persona revealed in his own words contradicted the version of himself he had been trying to sell. This evidence not only discredited him but also helped to shift the court's perception of her as a mother. Her decision to hold back this documentation until the ideal moment helped her gain the upper hand in the custody battle. This shows the power of using evidence wisely rather than emotionally to expose the abuser's lies and manipulation when it can have the greatest impact. In short, exposing an emotional abuser is not about reacting impulsively. It is about planning wisely and acting strategically. By documenting everything, staying organized, and choosing your moments carefully, you can turn the tables and reveal their true nature when it matters most. Remember, your composure and patience are your greatest asset in this psychological battle. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more strategies on dealing with toxic people. Thanks for watching and take care.